Once the palate expander is cemented, your orthodontist will give you instructions for how often the expander needs to be activated. You will need to activate the expander yourself or have somebody else turn it for you. An activation key will be given to you along with the instructions for use. To properly activate the expander, simply insert the ball end of the activation key into the activation screw head, located at the front of the expander. Once you feel that the key is engaged in the activation head, turn the key in a radial motion similar to how you would turn a car key or a house key. To ensure that the expander is being activated in the proper direction, notice the target symbol on the key and push on this. You will notice one side of the key has a target and the other side is blank, to avoid any confusion in regards to the proper activation. Once the proper doctor-instructed activation has taken place, simply take the key out of the activation screw head. The expansion of the palate should be completed after several weeks or possibly longer. Your orthodontist will monitor the expansion process on a regular basis and instruct you when to stop the activations. The expander will stay in your mouth for an additional amount of time in order to stabilize the newly formed upper jaw. During the expansion process, you can expect pressure sensations at the cheekbones and possibly between your eyes. This sensation is temporary and will go away within minutes. Your speech may be affected at first due to the expander. However, reading out loud will help to adapt back to normal speech. You may notice that your front teeth will slowly move apart. This is a sign that the expansion process is working properly. If you find it hard to place the key into the screw head, check to see if your screw head is free of food debris. A toothpick is a good tool for cleaning out any residual food in the screw head. Foods to stay away from while your expander is in your mouth include hard foods such as nuts, popcorn, hard candy, or ice to prevent damaging the device. Also, some gooey foods such as taffy and caramel can pose a risk to a successful expansion process.